Another crypto arbitrage trading tutorial, and we said crypto arbitrage trading is buying assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and selling them at a higher price in a decentralized platform. So our capital was 100 USDTs, and we said the aim is to grow this 100 USDTs to 1,000 in a week, in 4 days actually, with crypto arbitrage trading. So we have two platforms or exchanges, that is Binance, where we buy our assets at a lower price via P2P, and also we have Tranquilly, where we sell our assets at a higher price in a decentralized platform. So make sure you click the link in my bio and watch the tutorials and join free classes. And also, if you comment free or you comment crypto arbitrage trading, you can get free funding. So let's get to it. We are trading crypto arbitrage trading, and we are receiving our funds in our internal wallet, that is Tranquilly. So to get your internal wallet address, just come to deposit. If you are trading USDT, if you are trading BTC, tomorrow I'll do more videos. Just click on your cryptocurrency, then click continue, enter amount such as 60. You are not depositing, you are interested in your address. You'll copy continue. After copying, clicking continue, copy your address which you'll use in crypto arbitrage trading. So let me copy mine. I had pasted it somewhere. Then I come and show you as I check the crypto opportunities. So after copying your address, you just come to the three dashes, then you click on P2P arbitrage here. So here you are selling, you are not buying. Then you find the best offer. Let's today sell with Crypto Hub 24 with a rate of 96.82. Then I paste the address. Is it the address? Did I copy the address? Let me copy it very fast. So I'll enter amount, and I'll be trading with 500 USDTs, expecting to get a profit of 50, not bad. Then I'll paste my Tranquilly address, then I review and confirm the trade. So I'm expecting around 39 USDTs. There is something called P2P fee. So if I make 500 USDTs, I trade with the 500 USDTs, which is crypto arbitrage trading, and I get 39 USDTs profit. If I could add my capital like 1,000, I could make something like 78 USDTs. So that means the more the capital, the more the profits, guys. So let's continue and make a withdrawal, because this trade will go for around 30 minutes. But if the merchant is online, he can pay very fast in less than actually 2 to 30 minutes. So to withdraw, I'm more concerned in withdrawal this week. I want people to withdraw because profits are guaranteed. Go to your Binance, then click on deposit assets, click on USDT, you copy the address. You've seen the network that I've copied. Then you go on withdrawal, you click on USDT, then you'll come here, paste your Binance or Bybit or any other exchange address, then you enter amount. Let's withdraw 52. We want to hit 250 today. So we have only 4 days. If we do 250 daily, we can get somewhere with crypto arbitrage trading. After that, confirm and wait. So as we are waiting, remember I did a withdrawal today. If you are in my Telegram, you'll check on that. After you've confirmed your withdrawal, just wait for 2 to 15 minutes, then I'll get back. We should end this video with profits and also with a withdrawal. That is a successful withdrawal. So make sure you trade to withdraw any day, anytime. So let's wait. So guys, my withdrawal has been approved. You can see the time and date. So let's check in Binance, not me, all of us. You can see it has been completed, and now I have 206 USDTs. We can refresh and check again. 206. We'll get to 1,000. Just don't worry, with only crypto arbitrage trading. So I have 2 trades remaining today, receiving in my external wallet, and also I'll make arbitrage bots. So let me go to withdrawal, or I can just check in transaction history here, and I check the withdrawal 52. Very nice, very nice. 52, that is August 10 2026, time is 2017, and mine is 2024. So that's how you trade crypto arbitrage trading, and you make profits and you make withdrawals, and nobody can stop you from making profits. So make sure you follow me, you make profits, and you be a profitable crypto arbitrage trader. I'm out. Let's meet in the next video.